Hello folks, I'm Francie and I speak 2 languages, developer and also compliance for the EU AI Act. In these videos, I will be explaining how you can implement in practical terms all the requirements that the EU AI Act requires to comply with the regulation. So, let's start. We will be working today with risk management in general, and as usual, let's make 2 assumptions. First, that you are developing a high-risk system, and also that you are the provider of this high-risk system, both of them based on the EU AI Act. If I said in the last video that I like cybersecurity measures, I liked my favorite topic for the Annex IV is the risk management framework. And it's because this framework or the risk management should align all the entire process that you need to implement to comply with the regulation. And to do that, or to perform the risk management process, you can follow mainly the NIST AI Risk Management Framework 1.0 that was developed, I think it was in 2023, and also continue following another framework such as the NIST 853, because this is for cybersecurity and this is all about the AI, that is the new topic that we are developing at least in this year, right? And in that sense, the NIST AI Risk Management Framework provide a good topic that is interesting, and I would like to show you, that is how you can implement a process in the entire AI life cycle. And this present how for each phase you can implement, for example, in plan and design. When you are planning and design your AI system, what are the process, the controls that you have implemented for the data and input, the AI module, the task and output, the application context, the people that is involved in this context, etc., etc. And to do that, the NIST in general, no matter if it's only for cybersecurity but also for AI, they suggest that you implement policies that the entire company and also the process follow those policies. What are the procedures that you can implement that assess that no matter if it's a new feature or upgrade or improvement of that existing one, you follow the same procedures, that all the stakeholders are involved, etc. What are the controls that you have implemented to assess, for example, cybersecurity, and also, for example, that we were discussing in previous videos, the training process, the trust of the data sets, etc., 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 depending on in what part of the AI life cycle you are evaluating the controls, what are the measures, or what are the process that you implement to test these controls, evaluate and validate that they are performed as expected. It's very short, the explanation, but in general is I think it's the most complex process, because you need to implement these controls in each phase, but also in each type of the process that you are evaluating, because it's not the same if you are evaluating the module, or you are evaluating the product, or you are evaluating the procedure, or you are evaluating the output, etc., etc., etc. It's a very interesting topic, but with this you can assess that the entire AI ecosystem is following the best practices, and you are covering all the controls that should be implemented to comply with the regulation. Thanks for joining, and if you like this content, please subscribe and recommend me with your colleagues or all the people that need this information. Bye bye.